offer curve was propounded by Edgeworth and Marshall. We can understand international trade by offer curve. The offer curve is derived from countries' production possibility frontier. The offer curve shows all pairs of imports and exports implied by the production possibility of an economy and indifference curves. It is also called reciprocal demand curve. Offer curve shows quantity of one type of product that a country will export or offer for each quantity of another product that it imports. So let's assume there are two countries, China and India. China has toys, India has wheat. Here, India needs toys, China needs wheat. So China exports 10 units of toys to India. Then in respect to 10 unit of toys, how much amount of wheat shall China import from India? Suppose China imports 5 unit of wheat from India. So offer curve shows the quantity of one good a nation will export for each quantity of another good it imports. In the diagram, we can consider x-axis showing India and y-axis showing China. So in the diagram, India's offer curve is OA and China's offer curve is OB. The terms of trade between both the countries are decided on point E. The terms of trade are decided at point E because the offer curves of both the countries intersect at that point. So point E is the equilibrium point. OIN is the domestic price ratio of India and OCH is the domestic price ratio of China. If suppose international trade will happen between India and China, then how both will get benefit? So here India offers ON amount of good X and gets EN amount of good Y from China. Similarly, if China trades with India, then China will offer NE amount of good Y to India and will get ON amount of good X from India. If India will not trade with China, then you can see at domestic price line OIN. So for ON of X, India will only get NL of Y. But if India will trade with China, then for ON of X commodity, it will get LE of Y commodity. Say LE extra. Similarly, if China will not trade with India, then for ON of X commodity, China must sacrifice NM of Y commodity, which means EM extra. So, if both the nations will trade with each other, then both can gain. So, let's understand how. So, here India gives NE of Y commodity against ON of X commodity, which means LE extra it's getting. Similarly, China gives NE of Y commodity against ON of X commodity. So here China saves EM extra. I hope this video helps. Thank you.